Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Do you believe I create this app in just 5 minutes? This is a Laravel. This is all the project we are done by the Laravel AI, which name is LaraCopilot. We done this project. This complete we are done by AI. Okay, so within 5 minutes I done this AI. This is some demo. This is a demo of a purpose. Okay, so entire project we have inside this in AI tool. We will be able to click and download from the AI tool. Okay, so this project how I done using AI, I'm going to teach step by step from the scratch. Let me walk into the video. Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to bring the video of programming AI. So this is called as LaraCopilot. So LaraCopilot means this is the which is a coding AI tool which is based on Laravel. Those who interesting and Laravel or PHP project, this is this AI tool for them. So this is the separate AI tool, specific AI tool for the Laravel developers. So you can see you can type on it the Google LaraCopilot.com. You can get this user interface. Okay, so now what you are going to do is here, you can test that. Try live builder watch the demo. Everything you can watch it before you use it. Here you can see the LaraCopilot how it works. This everything is there. Okay, so what you're going to see here, you can see everything. So how to set up, you can go to the click on it and you can go here. This you can see here the management system, hotel booking app, online front, social apps, everything we can done by the AI. The free plan they are only given as a 10 credits per project. Okay, so build up 2 projects for free. Okay, the limit offer the 2 projects, the $2 for 2 per project. Okay, so here you can first year before you can purchase this one, you can click on it and sign in that project using your Google via your Gmail account. Now I have signed in via my Gmail account. You can see the chat window over here. Now here you can see the what kind of app you need using Laravel. You can mention over here. It will be upon your request. It will be created by the app. So it will mention it: hotel booking, e-commerce, learning platform, task manager, and food order. So I want to bring the app up. I need you to implement the CRUD operation. Create, update, delete, search. I include this functionality to make the CRUD application. So click on it. Now you can see here, build your Laravel application. Okay, so you have to wait until the application has built. So the 90% has been created. So build your Laravel. So you can see here, it's a nice looking app. Okay, don't miss out this chance. You have to you will be able to make the app via Laravel. This tool is very easy to build your Laravel. Okay, you have to wait until the project has been created. Now you can see that right away that everything is ready. Your Laravel projects, everything should be ready along with the admin panel. So here everything should be ready. You can make here, this is a Laravel here apps, HTTP. Here's a controller. So controller is there. So it's a model. So user model. So model should be there. So everything's here. This is the env file. So database configurations. It's make as a database configurations. You can make it what is the database you want in your local machine. You can configure it. It defaultly configure as a the env file as SQLite over here. So here it's everything is returning. So it's still doing. Okay, you have to wait. Keep on what is doing. Okay, so it's not complete yet. Okay, it's still keep on. It's doing home controller, auth controller, admin controller. Okay, so this everything's are ready. It's very easy to make the system. Okay, let's check out that everything here. You can see that the AI can be very fast. Okay, so you can make any app using this AI tool. So that Laravel Copilot, a very simple tool. Here you can complete the project very fast. Okay, so that here you don't need to think and write the code. It will be generate the codes are very easy manner and you can understandable way. So you can see here, so everything is returning. So you have to wait. It's still returning the code. Okay, so that here you have to complete it. So that you have to find you can complete it everything. So wait until the project has been completed. Okay, so this coding also written. Now that the HTML part is doing, other parts are completed so far. You can write the mobile responsive and everything. Okay, so now after completed, you can see the preview as well over here. Okay, so you have to here. This is a simple code. These codes are generated using AI tool. Okay, now you can see everything there. You can in this tool which help you to we can understand the folder structure as well. Okay, so that you can understand the folder structure as well. So the model, so that databases, that he can everything. So there he can public and go to the public. Okay, still it's doing. You have to write that everything. Okay, now that another one is doing as the thing is here. You can see which page is currently the updating. Admin.blade is updating. Blade.php is done. Okay, now that admin panel is then updated. Okay, so I have given only the thing is the CRUD application. I implement the 4 functionality. The app is ready along with the admin panel as well. Admin panel is very important stuff when you're doing any projects. So it is implemented the admin panel as well. So that's the very efficient way to write the coding by the AI. Okay, so the AI is very day by day they are growing in the world. So we have to wait until all the things are get completed. Now your system is completely completed. Now what you are going to do is you are going to do the preview. You click it the preview. It will be open up the new window. It's the admin panel. You can see the admin panel over here. It's a new tab, the admin panel. Click on it. It goes to the admin panel over here. So here what you are going to do is here already that admin panel here you can see the first time it will be asked to sign here user role as well. Administrator, user, everything is there. So I want to sign in. So click on it the product section. So product section you can see add new product window. Here it's completely you can add the products. So I'm going to add the TV. Select some of the category electronics, price, stock quantity 200, active, some other description. Here if you click the product has been created. It's not yet here. I have no database yet, so that's the problem. So once you get the products in your local machine, your product has been created. Okay, so after that here so there are a lot of choice here. Dashboard, if you go to the dashboard you will be able to search the dashboard. So product we recently added the products. You can add the category product. It's a nice user interface. You will be able to get this interface as well. So the AI generated codes will be here. It's admin, everything pages codes you will be able to get it. Okay, so from here in order to do your Laravel project you can import it the zip file. You download the zip file and get into your local machine and you have to do this project. And if you have if you want to change anything, any functionality and everything, you can simply you can get the idea, you can change. Okay, very simple. Okay, rather than you are starting from the project from the scratch, this tool is very helpful. Okay, thank you for watching.